Alright, I wanted to start things off with some well wishes for our sister Donna. She went in to have her cataract surgery today. So, today the 11th. So I'll probably post this video tomorrow, but I wanted to wish her well. I hope it went well. Hoping for a speedy recovery. Get well soon, sister. And we'll see you soon. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I want to start by moving the video screen so I'm not looking at it, but also I wanted to apologize for yesterday's lack of video. Truth is, I just didn't have time to cook anything. Monday, I went to the park and did that, came home, what'd I do? Oh, I threw something in the oven, I ate something real quick before I was going to go to work. And then my whole plan on Tuesday was to go to the store, grab the ingredients I needed, cook something, hopefully edit in time, or edit when I get home from work, and then voila, cooking video. But I turned the key Monday to go to work and my car wouldn't start. So I was like, what? So I ended up having, the next day, I went down to, pulled the battery out of the car, took it over to O'Reilly, tested it. They said it wasn't charged, which I knew was BS. But you know, it's a 5-year-old car, so they don't make stuff like they used to, even though it's a $200 battery. Long story short, I replaced the battery, so now we're good to go, but I ran out of time, so I couldn't get anything cooked. So I apologize for that. And what I have is I've got a mail call. I actually got 3 packages, so I'm going to be opening these up. This is from Bruce from Fab Creations. I'm going to do that last, because save the best for last. But let me get the camera turned down, and I'll show you what. Alright. First things first, I have an idea what this is. Yep. I get a nice big piece of flint. It actually wasn't what I thought it was going to be, but I will take it. That was it. This one oh, they sent me that whole little box for that. Wow. So I ordered a new flint striker that I found on Etsy. Yes, I went and bought another one. Let's see. The flint's like, I thought it was going to be several pieces of flint, not just one. Wow. That's just flaking apart. Alright, well, let's work with that. Fab Creations I ordered myself. I think there's a letter in there. I'll get back to that. Letter. So I ordered myself a Fab Creations manger, and it has Eat Carbs Outdoors, Fab Creations, number 16. Been wanting one of these for a while. I just paid all my bills, so I figured, why not? And then there you go, the manger. Alright, and I'm going hands free to give you guys a nice close up. There she is. Oh, I got the thing on backwards. That is the manger. Very cool. I've been wanting one for quite a while, and now I have one. So I go ahead and treat myself a little bit. Of course, I'll put all Bruce's information and whatnot in the description below. Alright, I got it all flipped around now. He sent me an extra sticker as well. Eat Carbs Outdoors. Sweet. Well, alright, well, I love the manger, of course. It's awesome. A little disappointed by the flint again. Seems like I keep getting burned on the flint. Maybe I gotta look again. Maybe I ordered a large one, but I wanted several pieces of medium like this, just so I could have a few extras. But it seems to spark okay. Well, I mean, it was only $10 for the striker. I just thought I'd get it anyway. You know, looks like just a cut piece of steel. I'll have to see about maybe breaking this down to a couple pieces if I can without destroying it or shredding it. So anyway, yeah, so as always, I thank you for watching. I'll catch you next one.